All right, get ready for your close-up.
Mr. DeMille.
I hate to bother him, but we can't sit here forever.
Shall I get him to move?
He is alive, isn't he?
Oh yeah, his eyes are blinking.
Hold on, I didn't even park the car yet. I got so excited when I saw him. Okay, you want to go first?
Sure. Make me out to be a bad guy.
Let's see what he does.
Oh!
All gone.
That was fast. Oh, there goes my hair.
Okay, my friend and I are here at the park.
Hi, everyone.
And we noticed that the snow is sliding off of that metal roof, but what's funny is it has little ridges in it, and then it has like little tabs that are curling in under, so I'm going to try and get a close-up of that. And they've got all the picnic tables stacked in under that little pavilion.
I need a picture of the leaves dancing across the ice.
Yeah. It's the day after Thanksgiving, and we got antsy, right?
Yes, we did.
We really didn't need anything. We just got antsy and wanted out of the house. It's been really cold and snowy and gray, and so it was. Well, yesterday was beautiful,
Mm-hmm.
and we're just taking advantage of the sunshine today. Did you pick up that bag of cranberries for me?
Yes.
I cooked them up on day before, must have been Wednesday. Oh, did that ever turn out good?
Oh, good.
So, you know, I'm not particular when it comes to cranberry jelly, but boy, I sure like the fresh made.
That's cranberry jellied.
I went ahead and roasted this small bag of red potatoes. They were about $1.98 at Walmart, and there's 9 of them. I dressed them with some olive oil and lots of herbs and seasonings, so I might eat some for dinner, or I might just chill them and use them for fried potatoes or something.